Some nice trades today. I thought the market would go a little lower today before bouncing, but it bounced back quickly. Market's been really strong. Everyone's thinks the market is going to go down. You see a lot of news or a lot of emails or a lot of information about the market going down or the market crashing, and it should. It seems like it should. I would be in the camp that thinks it should. It should go down. But the tape, if you watch the tape in the trading, it's like I can't bring myself to think that that's going to happen right now or in the short term. I look at the short term day to day. It's just not. It's just such a strong tape. Every time it comes down here, it bounces. It's just I counted about 10 mini bounces. One, two, three, four at the 2026 level. There's one that's a small one. Five, six, seven, eight, nine, and then 10, 11 today. I thought this would go lower today. I was looking at a discretionary buy signal. If it broke down the overnight low, somewhere between the overnight low and this 2026 level in here, but it didn't do that, and so that discretionary buy signal missed a big move. But Cobra got it, so we're long on Cobra, and profit target is 61.25 today. We'll see if we hit that. Take a look again at the portfolio that I'm talking about. These are the results of the $1 million portfolio, but the principle that applies here is regardless of the portfolio size you're trading. It's if you're on the 50K or 100K or 25K or smaller, you want to buy drawdowns in systems. When you start a system or when you start a portfolio, it's good to get in on drawdowns. That's my philosophy. I like to start when it's in a drawdown to buffer initial losses, because you get in on an equity peak and then it pulls right back, and so you just wait for a pullback and then you get in and you kind of buffer that initial sting. Anyways, trading in and out is difficult, but waiting for a drawdown to start is a good approach that I recommend. And so this portfolio is down. $1 million portfolio is down 16,000, about 1.6% of a million. And so, for example, if you were to wait for it to go into, I recommend waiting for this to go into a ten or $20,000 drawdown or 1 to 2% drawdown. And then the worst case drawdown since 2008 has been 56,000. So your risk to worst case drawdown is only 4%. This occurred. When did this occur? Back in 2007. This is before all the strategies were being traded, and so 2008 is this time frame right here going forward when all the strategies are being traded, and so it's possible that it can make a worst case drawdown and bounce, but it's always good to have a buffer by starting during a drawdown. And so it's bouncing back some today, so yesterday would have been a good day to start. But this thing changes quite a bit. It can go into a run up and then a drawdown and run up and a drawdown, and so that's just the cyclical nature of trading. And so since it's so cyclical, especially on that $10,000 to $20,000 range, just wait for those small drawdowns to get in to buffer it initially, regardless of the portfolio that you're trading. And so that's what I have for today. Taking a look at some more of the trades in the 100K portfolio. The $1 million portfolio is the 100K portfolio and the 50K portfolio. It's 5 units of the 50K and 2 units of the 100K, so you have less overnight systems. And so you see Cobra 3 is, we use the money management algorithm version in the portfolio, but some of our portfolios use the base version. And so if you take a look at the base version, it is long here. The 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15-minute version are all along at 2049.50 area, and so you're looking at profit target at 2061.50. So we're about 3.5 points away from that. Tick count trend. This is the base version. It's already got in a couple of trades after having a losing streak there. And stock index swing reversed from short to long. It's about break even on the day because of where it was yesterday on the short side, and it's just been difficult to make money on the short side. So I think the tape is up, and it will continue to be up for a while now, at least through May and maybe through November until after the election. Take a look at AD trend. It's 3 trades in a row today. SR counter trend gold was long. Asia gold was long. Cobra crude was long, and so these trades are looking good in the 100K portfolio today and in the 50K portfolio. Let me know if you have any questions on the portfolios, in starting on a drawdown, where we're at and when to start. If you want to start at a particular drawdown, drop me an email and I will let you know keep you updated on a good time to start trading these portfolios.